and quite frankly, we're in the middle of an emergency and all hands on deck right here. I would ask our director, Tom Munoz, to come give us a status report and how the public can assist the emergency center going forward. Mr. Munoz.
Thank you, Mayor. I want to reiterate what my colleagues behind me, the mayor, have said. Life safety, that is at the stage we're at right now. Again, want to emphasize the message. Stay off the road, stay at home, shelter in place. We're currently at level 1 now. We're working with state and local and federal officials to ensure the safety of everyone. What we are doing is identifying those vulnerable areas, assisted living homes, nursing homes. We have already those identified. We'll be monitoring that situation very closely to ensure that people are safe, and again, that the rest of the residents are safe as well. We are going to be working diligently throughout the day and the night till this is over. But one thing that I want all Houstonians to know is that we are working together, have been working for the last 4 days to ensure everyone's safety. Mitigation plans are already set in place. The other thing that we're going to go after, we want people to understand that we are going to be in the recovery phase after the life safety, as Chief Penny had mentioned. So we are paying attention, we're monitoring closely, and again, want to emphasize, stay off the roads, shelter in place. We have the whole city already under the watch. We are paying attention. Thank you. Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you. I don't mind being redundant at this point. Shelter in place, stay off the roads, call 911. Our first responders are responding, fire, police, public works,